Hi friends, today I am going to take Refugee Blues written by W.H. Auden. W.H. Auden was born in 1907 in York as the son of George Augustus Auden, a doctor, and Constance Rosalie Auden, a missionary nurse. He was raised in the West Midlands of northern England, whose industrial cities remained an important poetic landscape throughout his career. During the course of his graduation in English at Oxford, he was influenced by the poetry of T.S. Eliot, one of the icons of modernist poetry then, and started his illustrious literary career. In 1913, Auden's first collection of poetry, entitled Poems, was published, and it inaugurated the movement of English verse known as the Auden generation, a poetry expressing a desire for political and ethical commitment. Auden was prolific in writing and won the Pulitzer Prize for The Age of Anxiety and the National Book Award for The Shield of Achilles, despite having led a bohemian life in New York with a gay friend like Chester Kalman. In 1956, he came back to England when he was elected professor of poetry at Oxford. In 1973, he died of a heart attack in a hotel in Vienna. He is buried in Poets' Corner of Westminster Abbey. The greatness of Auden as a poet emerges from his contribution to literature in the 1930s, as he, along with his companions, is known as a poet of the 30s. Besides Refugee Blues, the striking poem of Auden include Spain in memory of W.B. Yeats, September 1, 1939, Musée des Beaux Arts, The Unknown Citizen, New Year Letter, and The Shield of Achilles. Written in March 1939, during the Third Reich in Germany, when anti Semitism was at its raging peak, Refugee Blues laments the sad plight of the Jews who were threatened to leave the country before the Holocaust to the modern democracies and the indifference and antagonism they faced while seeking asylum there. The poem is often considered as one of the most significant responses in the context of the violation of the human rights of the Jews of Europe, who were brutally imprisoned and killed under Hitler, and more cruelly ignored by the great secular democracies of the world. Written in 12 stanzas of 3 lines with the rhyme scheme AAB, the poem is of special importance in the present global context in which migration has emerged as a burning problem, with thousands dying at the sea and shown the door of exit from many countries. The speaker of the poem is a Jewish refugee who is addressing his lover about the abysmal plight of the refugees of the world. The term blues of the title stands for a song that laments an event which is depressing, a meter that Auden used in poems like Calypso, and one that the American blacks used in their protest poetry. The repetition of the phrases of the last line of each of the stanzas and the insertion of my dear in between makes the poem really very touching, emotional, and powerful.